Something that I don't think enough sales teams have accepted is the fact that we need to use CDPs for B2B sales in the way that marketers and go-to-market teams have done in B2C for 5+ years now. It's critical because you need a central tool to define data definitions, ontologies, to let non-technical users move data sets safely between sources, destinations, to take knowledge from different groups within the business and be able to action that without having to go through what are like ever-growing like data teams to action any specific kind of like simple or seemingly simple ask from the frontline teams. I think CDPs are how we solve that problem, and I think they're going to, in the next 2 years, become much more mainstream for sales teams, and it'll also help unify the sales and marketing teams, and it'll also help unify the data in a way where you can roll out agents across the data for anyone who wants to see a meaningful lift in efficiency for their sales team with AI. That's a big part of how they're going to do it. Get the data foundation right. They need to have the CDP architecture and then be able to layer on AI agents and like essentially have consistency across the org. You need to have it set up in a way where you can run quick experiments to help the frontline business, but you're maintaining or improving the data foundations every time you use it. The CDP layer is where you codify a lot of the definitions, the rules, the workflows, the entity resolution layers. When you have a CDP, it just comes out of the gate set up. You can always rebuild from scratch with Snowflake and enough custom code around it, but it just comes out of the box in a customizable way where you should just, instead of trying to build all those primitives like ontologies, schemas, entity resolution, etc., you should just adopt it in the CDP form and then customize rather than build that from scratch.